go. Yeah. Oh, there's gonna be a big drop on the other side. If I can get to it. Welcome back, everybody. Today we're out here on the trails with the TRX4 Blue Thunder here. Just out exploring today. Let's see what all we can get into here. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Give me a big thumbs up and a like and subscribe and hit that notification. Thanks for watching, guys. This here is a pretty much stock TRX4. It's got tires, rims, new front bumper, and a new servo in it. That is it. Running a 2S LiPo. Yeah. Everything else is stock. Suspension's all stock. I'm gonna get it out here on the trails here and see what we can find and get into. Found ourselves a little mud hole already. I really ain't putting it in no deep holes, but ain't really had this thing in the mud. That's the first time this thing's been in the mud like that. Not bad, not bad. I got both diffs unlocked. So I ain't trying to go all out in it or nothing like that, but don't want to throw the mud around on it. Let's see what she's capable of doing now. I'll try locking this in, see if we can get out of her. Nope, we got her stuck, guys. That was deep though, that's sticky. Ugh. Have to get the mud buggy out, bring it over. Right now would be a good time to get it and play in some mud. Through there, wash off the tires a little bit. Clean them off a little bit there. Stop playing a little bit of mud. Yeah. Found us a dry creek bed here. Got her back down in first gear, diffs unlocked. Still in first gear with the diffs unlocked. You can see right there, front tire slipping. Oh yeah, we powered through that. Yes, the back diff is unlocked too. Sliding down off the hill. Back up here. Well, we hit up Boulder Alley here. I've crawled down here before with it. Been a while ago, but yeah, I wish all the water wasn't here. I was hoping it would have been a little bit more dry, but we'll play around a little bit here and see what all we can get into. There's some nice boulders and some good lines. See how far I can get without this being locked. Trying to stay up here on the bank. I don't want to get her all wet. The water and stuff's hard on the bearings. Probably have to put her in, lock the diff in to get up over this. Maybe. Well, no, look at that. She pulled herself right up over it. I have to lock this in for this one. Yep. Oh, come on. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Oh, no, 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 no. Come on. Yes. Settle back down there. No, no. Oh, man. I thought we was going to get it there. Wanting to roll on me. Come on, pull yourself up over here. There we go. Oh, wow. With wet tires, I thought for sure I was going to have to lock the diffs in there. Come on. She needs to pull herself up over that one. We'll figure a way out over it. There we go. Oh. Oh, now I'm hung up. There we go. Oh yeah, there we got it. Nice. All that with the diffs unlocked, guys. I'm impressed. No idea where I'm trying to go here. Let's see if we can just pour ourselves straight out, maybe. I gotta get myself high centered here. Yep. I don't even think locking our diffs in now is going to help. We'll find out. Oh yeah. There we go. Alright, we had to lock this in there, but we knew it was going to happen eventually. I did. We got some good crawls there, for sure, without the diff being locked. That was nice. I like that. Makes it more challenging. Definitely. Work our way over to the other side now, and we'll head on out. I definitely ain't going through that though. That's deep. Deep enough to cover the truck anyway. Nice. Work our way over here. Here's pretty narrow. Let's straddle it just right here. Yeah, we can. Nice. I love them tires. That low-C rock claws. Soft foam. Pretty soft, real soft. Alright, back on the trail. Yep. That's the rock garden there. Rock Alley, I like to call it. Pretty nice. Nice little spot. You can play there all day and have some good lines.